Welcome back, history enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey back to ancient Bharat, where we uncover the remarkable story of the Pushyabhuti Dynasty, a formidable power that rose in the post-Gupta period. At the heart of this dynasty was a legendary ruler, Emperor Harshavardhan. So let's dive into his story. In the early 7th century, when kingdoms rose and fell like waves on the Ganga, one name began to echo across northern India with rare force. Harshavardhan, born around 590 CE in the kingdom of Thaneshwar. As a young prince of Thaneshwar, Harsha saw his family kingdom collapse after the sudden death of his father and brother. Enemy forces swept in, and the court turned into a place of uncertainty and silence. Power was slipping away, and so was stability across the land. But Harsha did not retreat into fear. He rose into responsibility. At just 16, he accepted a crown that felt heavier than gold. Not a symbol of luxury, but of duty. His mission was not revenge alone, it was restoration. He vowed to unify the fragmented lands of North India. Step by step, campaign by campaign, he rebuilt political order across northern India. Kannauj became his capital, and his court became known for intellectual openness. Poets, philosophers, and travelers from distant lands were welcomed. One of his notable contributions was his support for the famed poet Banabhatta, who wrote Harsha Charitra, an epic biography that depicts Harsha's rise to power. Every 5 years, he held a grand assembly at Prayagraj. Wealth collected over years was distributed first to scholars, then to religious institutions, and finally to the poor. Under his rule, the empire flourished economically. Harsha implemented infrastructure projects, roads, rest houses were constructed, enhancing trade routes and connecting distant regions. The prosperity of his reign was reflected in the flourishing arts and architecture. Temples and structures were built that still stand as testaments to his legacy. By the time his reign ended, he had achieved something rare in a fractured age. Not just expansion, but cohesion. He brought much of northern India under a single political power after a period of fragmentation. Emperor Harshavardhan's story is not just about territorial conquests, but about unification, cultural renaissance, and the rich tapestry of Bharat's history. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more captivating historical tales. Until next time, keep exploring the past.